Hi guys, this is Crafting with Cupcake, and today we're going to make a huge slime. So first we're going to need a whole gallon of Elmer's school glue. And you're going to need a bottle of liquid starch. I don't have a full bottle, so I'm using there's a little bit in this one. So I'm going to use all of this. Then you're going to need a bowl of water. And I'm going to make a huge chalkboard paint slime, so I'm using chalkboard paint. I don't know how much I'm going to need, but probably like half of the bottle. So first we're going to pour in all of our glue. Oh, and you're going to need a totes container if you want to put it in. You don't have to use this. You can use something else, like a huge bowl, but I'm going to use a totes container. There. All right. That's what it looks like. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Now, you can see how full it is of glue. Looks amazing. Now we're going to add our chalkboard paint. To mix this, you can use a wooden spoon. I'm going to use my hands. So I'm going to pour this into here. You don't have to use chalkboard paint. You can use like essential oils to make it scented, or you could make fluffy slime with 3 bottles of shaving cream. Or you could just make colored slime and use food coloring in it. I want this to be really dark, so I'm going to use all of this. I'll let you see it. Okay. Now, we are going to mix this together. Actually, I am going to get a wooden spoon. I will be right back. Okay, I have my spoon. Now we're going to mix. Now this looks really, really cool. Oh, and if you wanted to, you could also add foam beads or glitter. I'm not adding glitter. I've never made chalkboard slime before, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, you probably want to see it. There it is. Now, we are going to add our liquid starch. Do you see it? We're going to add our liquid starch. So there's a little bit in this bottle, so I'm just going to pour that in. If you don't have enough, and you want to make your slime right now, and you don't want to have to go to the store and buy another bottle of this, you can use a little bit of baking soda and contact lens solution. Now, I'm going to mix that together. Here's what it'll look like before you're done mixing. It'll be like watery, it'll have it in it. I'm going to use my hands later on, so it'll be really cool. Look at that. It's huge. Alright, now we're going to add our water. I do a little bit at a time. Alright, now I'm going to use my hands. Wow, this is amazing. I would show this to you, but I don't want to touch the camera with these hands. This is amazing. Look at this. And you know, I didn't even use all of the glue. I still have a little bit left, so this is huge. I think I might use a little bit too much liquid starch, so I might try to pour a little bit back into the bottle. Let's see how it goes. Alright, here's a little bit of the slime that's in here. Alright, now I'm going to show you what almost the end result looks like. I still haven't been done mixing this, but that's okay because it's probably going to look the same later. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Look at that slime. And I saw online that you can use chalk to draw on it. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and finish mixing, and then I will video the end result. Okay guys, here's the end result of my almost a gallon slime. This thing is humongous, and someone is trying to find me a piece of chalk so I can write on this and show you guys how that works. But this is just humongous. It's amazing. I would definitely recommend this. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would give this a 5. It is amazing. It's so fun to play with, and you know, to store it, I am going to take little bits of it like this.
Sorry, no.
It's okay. I'm going to take little bits of it like this and store it in a little container. But this is just amazing. And look how much glue I have left. I have this much glue left. So I didn't use all of it. But this is just amazing. And I didn't use all my liquid starch either. So I would definitely recommend this. Please subscribe, comment, and like below. Bye.